Hello student, good morning to all of you. Student, I am your science teacher and today I will explain some exercises of chapter first. Chapter first is so very long chapter and today I will discuss the long exercise of this chapter. So get ready today student on online classes. So open your book, take care of copy, take a pencil, eraser and ready. Okay student? Class 7 subject science biology section topic long question answer of chapter first food. Okay student, get ready to explain. I think you are also search the answer of the following question. Student, section C, long answer type questions. Okay, answer in 20-25 words. Answer in 20 to 25 words. Question first. What are the functions of food? What are the functions of food? Student, food is very essential for life because we all need food. We all need food to live. So write down answer first and you will write down question first in your notebook copy, but I am not going to write down the question. It is already given in your book. We all need food to live. Food provide us energy to work and play and work and play. Okay student, don't write the and stay fit, healthy, warm and disease free. It is also given in the page number first. Page number first. Food provide us energy for our daily activities. Food provide us energy to for our daily activities. For our daily activities. activities and help us in grow and help us in grow. Reproduction, stay fit, comma, and remain healthy. Stay fit, warm, remain healthy, disease free, remain healthy and disease free. Okay, write down the answer number first. We all need food to live. Food provides us energy to work and play. Okay, food provide us energy for our daily activities and help us in growth, reproduction, stay fit, warm, remain healthy and disease free. Okay, student, write down. Now I am going to read the second question of section C. What is meant by nutrition? Draw a chart showing classification of the modes of nutrition. What is meant by nutrition? Student, see the page number 2. Page number 2. Write down your answer. See, above the modes of nutrition, the process of taking food and its utilization by the body is called nutrition. I am going to write down. Wait. The process of taking food in section C, answer number 2, question 2. The process of taking food, process of taking food and its utilization and its utilization by the body is called nutrition. Okay, student, draw the next question. In the second part of this question, draw a chart showing classification of the modes of nutrition. So write classification of the modes of nutrition. Classification of the modes of nutrition. First, autotrophic, and second is heterotrophic, mode of nutrition. Autotrophic means all green plants. Okay, and heterotrophs are depend upon the others for their food. There are three types. First, herbivores, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Student, herbivorous means plant eating animals. Okay student, plant. So write down the complete answer. Plant eater means plant, E-A-T-E-R, plants eater. No, cow, B-U-F-U-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Carnivorous means flesh eating या meat eater. Meat eater. Meat eater means lion, tiger. And omnivorous means both plant eater and meat eater. Plant eater and meat eater. Dog, crow, sparrow. Write down some examples. This is the flow chart of the classification of the modes of nutrition. Two types: heterotrophics, autotrophics. All green plants make their own food, and heterotrophics depend upon the others for their food. Herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Write down. Now I am going to read question number 3. Describe photosynthesis. Name the various factors affecting photosynthesis. Student, RD given in the book, page number 3. Open the page number 3. So know you know. So know you know, page number 5. And also this is the given in your page number 3. Third, the process by which green plant make their food is called photosynthesis, but it is not complete answer. Process by which green plant making their food. By green plants make their own food from carbon dioxide, water, and the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. So the complete answer of this from page number 5. I am going to erase this. Write down the question number 3rd. On page number 5. Do you know the last point? The process by, write the photosynthesis. P-H-E-S-I-S. This is the heading of photosynthesis, and this is the explanation. The process by which green plant green plants make their food from carbon dioxide and water, and water in the presence of chlorophyll presence of chlorophyll and water already written and sunlight is called photosynthesis. The second half of this question, that is first the definition and the name the various factors affecting the photosynthesis. So open the page number 3rd. Factors affecting photosynthesis. Factors affecting the photosynthesis are as page number 3. Write down in the rough or mark it on the book. Page number 3rd. First, light intensity. Okay. And on page number 4, 3rd and 4th. Nature of light, carbon dioxide and water, and temperature. And write some main points of all the affecting factors in the rate of photosynthesis. Okay student, take the mark up to temperature, from light intensity and page number 4 to temperature. So there are 4 points. Okay, mark them. Page number 3 and 4. First write down this. You should write down in the rough copy. Don't use the homework copy or fair copy, because it is not possible to write down all answers. Okay student, right. Now I am going to read the question number 4. Answer number, this is the 3rd. 4th, describe the role of leaf in photosynthesis. You can write down without the help of textbook. Student, leaf is the site of photosynthesis. That is also called the kitchen of the plant, where foods are prepared and stored in the form of sugar. Okay student. So student, open page number 6 after completing this answer number 3rd. Open page number 6. This part, but don't write all these part. I will discuss. First time erase this. Answer 4. Write down question 4 also in your fair copy. Page number 6. Role of leaves in photosynthesis. Role of leaves, L-E-A-V's, in photosynthesis. Okay, student. Photosynthesis occur mostly in leaves, but also in green parts of the plant, where the chlorophyll is present. So from here, photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis to this point and draw the R diagram from here to this point. Okay, but there are some points are also given in this diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4. So draw the stomata, open stomata and close stomata from textbook and draw this. And student write 4 points sequentially. Okay. There are 4 points. There are 4 points. There are 4 points which is done by leaves are first. Write down. Chlorophyll trap light energy. Chlorophyll trap light energy. Okay, student. Light energy. And water enter leaves. Second, water enter leaf. Third, carbon dioxide enter leaf through stomata. Carbon dioxide enters leaf through stomata, because leaf is the singular form. Stomata. Write down stomata. And fourth, sugar leaves leaf. Sugar leaves leaf. Means student, water plus light, this is the chemical energy. Okay, you should draw the R diagram and write the water plus light makes chemical energy, and this chemical energy combined with the carbon dioxide to form sugar. Okay, and write down all these 2 points. From photosynthesis occur mostly in leaf based to the pores, and draw the diagram also. Okay, page number 6. First, you will write down this after completing this point and diagram. Below the diagram, you will write down the 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4 points below this diagram on the plain paper of the copy. Okay, student. Now I am going to read question number 5. Describe the term symbiosis. Give the name of a plant that exhibits symbiotic relationship. Means the mutual relationship of 2 organisms in the same plant. This is called symbiont, and this process of taking food It's called symbiosis. Very easy. So please open page number 9. Page number 9. This is the page number 9. Symbiotic nutrition. Symbiotic nutrition. Answer number 5. Page number 9. You can mark with pencil symbiotic nutrition. Heading is why symbiotic nutrition. It's the heading. From here to this sentences, that is supplies organic food to the fungus. From here to this. Okay. Means the two plants to up to the fungus, to the fungus. Okay, student, this is the complete answer of question number 5. And student, I am already discussed the take the odd one out, already discussed in the previous class, and define the term. It is depend upon you, but I asked this question, that is the following terms in the examination. So try to write down from the textbook. Okay. And there are some questions on page number 12 and 13 also. So please solve this with the help of the book. It is already given in the back side of your book. Okay. See page number. Okay. Page number, what number I will not going to tell, but see the chapter number 1st and formative and summative assessment. So this question solved by you from the help of the textbook, page number 12 and 13. So write down today's homework. Complete your notebook of chapter 1st and also complete page number 12 and 13 in textbook. Twelve and 13. Okay, student. Page number 299. So 299 from formative assessment. Okay, student. Fill it with the help of pencil. Okay, I will check it when I asked to submit it. Okay, student. So write down the homework. Hope you are all maintain your notebook. Thank you, student. Have a nice day. Thank you once again. Write down homework.